Hey everyone! Welcome to Seattle, Washington, the Emerald City, home of coffee culture, stunning views, and a whole lot of rain, but we like to call it liquid sunshine. Today, we're trading in our umbrellas for walking shoes and taking you on an epic tour of this vibrant city. Let's start big, or in this case, high, with a tour of the SkyView Observatory. At 902 feet above the ground, this is the highest public viewing area in the Pacific Northwest. The 360-degree views are absolutely breathtaking. From the Olympic Mountains to Mount Rainier, you can see it all. It's like having the whole city at your feet. Check out that view. You can see the Space Needle, Puget Sound, and even the Cascade Mountains in the distance. It's the perfect spot for some epic selfies. Use one of the telescopes to get a closer look at the city below. From the bustling Pike Place Market to the ferries gliding across Elliott Bay, there's so much to see. It's like having a front-row seat to the best show in town. Don't miss the interactive exhibits that highlight Seattle's history and landmarks. From the Great Fire of 1889 to the rise of tech giants, these displays offer a fascinating glimpse into the city's past and present. How would you like a mini history lesson with a view? So you've soared to new heights at the SkyView Observatory, but now it's time to go underground and take a plunge into Seattle's hidden history. Ready to explore the city from a whole new perspective? Head over to Beneath the Streets. To get there, head south from 5th Street and go west on Cherry St. Beneath the Street is just 2 blocks and no more than 10 minutes walk away. This attraction takes you through the hidden passages and subterranean storefronts of old Seattle. Get ready to step back in time and explore the remnants of the city that once stood before the Great Fire of 1889. These subterranean tunnels and passageways were once the bustling sidewalks of old Seattle. After the Great Fire, the city was rebuilt on top of the old ruins, creating this fascinating underground maze. It's like a time capsule with a side of mystery. Check out these historic artifacts. From old storefronts to vintage signage, these remnants offer a glimpse into Seattle's past. It's like walking through a history book, but way cooler and with way more cobwebs. From saloons to barbershops, these underground spaces were once the heart of the city's commercial district. It's like stepping into a Wild West movie set, minus the tumbleweeds. After the Great Fire, the city raised the streets to prevent flooding, leaving these underground passages behind. It's a fascinating story of resilience and ingenuity. Seattle style. There you have it, Beneath the Streets, where history and mystery come together in perfect harmony. After exploring the hidden passages and rich history of old Seattle with Beneath the Streets, now it's time to trade in the underground for some high culture at the Seattle Art Museum. To get there, walk north on 1st Street until you get to University Street. And here you are, the Seattle Art Museum, or SAM for short. This cultural hub is home to an impressive collection of art from around the world, including contemporary, Native American, and Asian art. Whether you're an art aficionado or just looking for some inspiration, this place has got you covered. First things first, say hello to Hammering Man. This kinetic sculpture by Jonathan Borofsky stands 48 feet tall and tirelessly hammers away, symbolizing the hard-working spirit of the city. It's like a giant, artistic nod to Seattle's industrious roots. You can take a stroll through the galleries. From ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces, Sam's collection spans centuries and continents. Check out this stunning Native American art exhibit. It's a beautiful tribute to the rich cultural heritage of the Pacific Northwest. Then, there's the Contemporary Art Gallery, which features works by some of today's most innovative artists. From bold abstracts to thought-provoking installations, it's a feast for the eyes and the mind. There's also the Asian Art Collection and the rotating exhibits, where you can discover new and exciting works on every visit. Whether it's a special showcase of a renowned artist or a thematic exploration, there's always something fresh and inspiring to see. If you're famished with all that walking, the timing couldn't be any more perfect as Pike Place Market is the next stop. Just head north on 1st Street and you'll be there in 5 minutes. One of Seattle's most iconic attractions, this bustling marketplace is the soul of Seattle. You can also check out the original Starbucks, where the global coffee empire began in 1971. It's a must-visit for any coffee lover, and the vintage logo is a perfect photo op. Just be prepared for a line. This place is always buzzing. Pike Place Market is a food lover's paradise, with vendors offering everything from fresh fruits to artisanal cheeses. Here's a pro tip. try the famous Beecher's handmade cheese. Their mac and cheese is the stuff of legends. If you're looking for unique souvenirs, the craft stalls at Pike Place Market are filled with handmade treasures, from jewelry to artwork. It's the perfect place to find a one-of-a-kind gift or a quirky keepsake. After experiencing the hustle and bustle of Pike Place Market, it's time to dive into the wonders of the deep blue sea. To get there, head west on Pike Street until you get to Alaskan Way. It's a mere 5 minutes walk away from the market. The Seattle Aquarium is an aquatic wonderland that's home to a diverse array of marine creatures from the Pacific Northwest. From playful sea otters to mesmerizing jellyfish, it's a splash-tastic adventure for all ages. Here, you can say hello to the giant Pacific octopus. These intelligent and curious creatures can weigh up to 150 pounds and stretch up to 20 feet in length. It's like meeting the Houdini of the sea. Watch out for those tentacles. Take a stroll through the underwater dome. This 360-degree viewing experience lets you feel like you're walking on the ocean floor, surrounded by schools of fish, graceful rays, and even a few friendly sharks. It's like being in an aquarium. Within an aquarium. Also check out the sea otters, the aquarium's resident entertainers. These adorable critters love to swim, play, and munch on shellfish. Ready for a hands-on experience? Head over to the touch tank, where you can gently interact with tidal critters like sea stars, urchins, and anemones. It's like a mini tidal adventure but without the wet shoes. After exploring the wonders of the deep blue sea at the Seattle Aquarium, now it's time to stay above water and enjoy some stunning views at Waterfront Park and take a spin on the Seattle Great Wheel. As you stroll along Alaskan Way, enjoy the lively waterfront atmosphere. The iconic Seattle Great Wheel, your next destination. But first, take a detour to Waterfront Park for some stunning views and a bit of relaxation. Check out these sculptures and public art installations. From quirky pieces to thought-provoking works, Waterfront Park is like an open-air gallery with a side of fresh air. It's the perfect backdrop for some artsy selfies. Just strike a pose and snap away. If you're feeling zen, take a seat on one of the benches and enjoy the peaceful views of the bay. With the sound of the waves and the sight of boats gliding by, it's like a mini vacation for your mind. Next up, take a spin on the Seattle Great Wheel. You started high with the SkyView Observatory. It's just fitting to end the Seattle tour on a high note. This giant Ferris wheel stands 175 feet tall and offers stunning views of the city skyline and Elliott Bay. It's just like a bird's-eye view without the need for wings. The Seattle Great Wheel has fully enclosed gondolas, so you can enjoy the views in comfort, rain or shine. From the top, you'll get a breathtaking 360-degree view of Seattle, the waterfront, Space Needle, the downtown skyline, and even Mount Rainier on a clear day. So there you have it, Waterfront Park and the Seattle Great Wheel, where stunning views and fun come together in perfect harmony. Whether you're here to relax by the bay, enjoy some public art, or take a thrilling ride on the Ferris wheel, this waterfront adventure is a must-do. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of the Emerald City. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.